In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication on ChatGPT. Two-factor authentication, sometimes called multi-factor authentication, adds a powerful extra layer of security to your account. Even if someone gets hold of your password, they still won't be able to sign in without that second proof that it's really you. Let's walk through it together, step by step, in a simple and clear way. Start by looking at the bottom left corner of your ChatGPT window. Click your profile icon, which is the small avatar or initial you see there. A menu will open. From that menu, click Settings to open your account preferences. Inside Settings, find and select the Security section. This is where ChatGPT groups all your protection options. In Security, look for the area labeled Multi-Factor Authentication. You'll see three choices here: using an authenticator app, receiving a text message, or adding trusted devices. Each one provides the same core benefit, an additional check to confirm it's you. So pick the method that best fits how you like to log in. If you choose the authenticator app, you're opting for a method that's widely recommended for strong security. After selecting it, just follow the on-screen prompts. You'll typically be shown a QR code and asked to confirm a short, time-based code from your authenticator app. Once confirmed, you'll use that app to get a fresh code whenever you sign in. If you choose text message, ChatGPT will send a one-time code to your phone when you log in. It's straightforward and familiar. Simply follow the prompts, receive the code, and confirm it to finish setup. Keep in mind that text can sometimes be delayed, so make sure you'll have reliable mobile coverage when you need to sign in. If you choose to add trusted devices, you're telling ChatGPT which computers or browsers you use frequently, so you won't be asked for a code every single time. Only mark devices you personally control, and avoid enabling this on shared or public machines for your security. Once you've selected the option you prefer and completed the prompts on screen, you're all set. Your account now has two-factor authentication enabled, and you'll see the change reflected in the security section. If you ever want to adjust your method, come back to the same place and make your changes there. And that's it. A few quick clicks, a simple confirmation, and your ChatGPT account is much better protected.